Whoa, do you know you can now edit your videos on TikTok? Yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Let's get right into it right now. Come over here to profile, click on it. Now, once the profile opens up, you're gonna scroll down to the video that you uploaded in the last 7 days. Once it has passed 7 days, you cannot edit the video anymore, and you can only edit the video once a day. So you really have to think about it each time you are editing the video. You can only edit it once a day and for only 7 days. After 7 days, you cannot edit it anymore. So I'm going to choose this video right here. So let's click on it. Once you click on the video, we'll come over to the three dots right here. Click on that. Now we're going to swipe all the way to the left, and you can now see we can edit tagged people and edit post. Now let's come over to edit post. Click on it. So we're gonna wait for it to open up, and once it opens up, it says edit post on top. Okay, I can edit anything that I've written here, the hashtag, edit the cover text, and also you can edit the location after 90 days. After 90 days, you cannot edit the location again, but before it gets to 90 days, you can edit the location. So let's go ahead and see if we can make some little changes. So in the description, I'm going to add a new text there, like new updates. Then I'm also going to make some little changes in the cover too. So going to come over here and click on the edit cover, test it out. Now for the text cover, I can't exactly edit what I've written there before. Once I click it, I'm given the option to type a whole new text there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type all new text there. Now, one thing I notice is it's a little bit stuck. I don't know if it's maybe my device or it's just from TikTok itself. But once you type in your text, it's a bit hard deleting it, deleting any part of the message. So you might want to press done, then go back again, press on it, click on the message I've written. Then you can now make changes, because I noticed I could not make changes that easily, so I had to press done, then come back again to it. So that's it. I've written the message that I want on my cover. So I'm going to click done, then click on save. Okay, click on done. So I'm going to save it right now. So now in the description, I've added new updates to it. And I've also changed some part in the cover text. I'm going to go ahead and click on done. After clicking on done, I'm going to come down and click on save. But down here, we have this text right here, and I do advise you to read it. So right here you can see it says you can edit your description and cover once a day. Edit can be made within 7 days of posting. So you can only make the editing app within the 7 days of posting. After 7 days, you cannot edit any other, you can't edit the video. So let me go ahead and save it. So after saving it, we just need to wait for it to be saved, and that's it. So the changes we made has been saved. So right now I'm gonna come back and see if I can re-edit it again. You can see. So right now you can now see that the changes we made has been saved. The new update is there. So I'm gonna click on it again and see if I can still edit it again. Now come over here and click on the three dots. Then let's scroll. You can now see edit post. So click on that. So this is it. So I can't edit it again. So no further edit can be made today. So I can only edit once a day and between 7 days. I can look under now underneath it. It says the location can be edited within 90 days of posting. So between 19 days of posting, you can edit the location. So let's go back. I'm going to go back again. So I'm gonna try testing a video that I've done more than 7 days. Let's click this one and let's see if I can edit it. Come over to the three lines, not that visible, but let's see if I can edit it. Click on it, and no, I can't edit it. That's it, guys. That's how you can edit your posted videos on TikTok. Note, you have 7 days to edit it and you can only edit it once a day. Location, you can change the location between 90 days before the 90 days is up. After 90 days, you can edit your location too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and follow for more. And check out this video over here.